or treat! Trick or treat! Trick or treat!
What's up? What you guys want? Hey, what you doing? You stealing my stuff? Hey, you stealing my stuff? Yeah, here's for you, Fred. What? Who gets the tent? All right, peace. See you later in the hood. You know what I'm saying?
What do you say?
Thank you, Uncle Dave!
Now you guys gotta share this one, okay?
You can share both of them.
You can share both of those, okay?
Yay! Was this the best Halloween ever?
Wow.
Wow!